Guys, now let's discuss about the torque that we have discussed in the previous video. Look at the image. Imagine you are trying to open a very tight bolt using a small spanner. You apply full force, still it doesn't move properly. But the moment you use a longer wrench, suddenly the bolt becomes easy to rotate. Why? That hidden turning power is called as torque. Torque is basically the rotational effect of force. In simple words, force makes things move in a straight line, but torque makes things rotate. Now look carefully at this image. Here we have a force acting at certain distance from the axis. The farther the force is applied from the center, the greater the turning effect becomes. That is why long wrenches are more powerful than short ones. Same force, different distance, completely different torque. Now see these real life examples. When you open a door using a handle at the edge, you are using a torque. When you pedal a bicycle, you are applying torque to rotate the crank. Car steering wheels, robotic arms, cranes, engines all work because of torque. Even giant rocket turbines depend on rotational force. Now here comes the most important idea. Torque depends on three things. First, how much force you apply. Second, how far the force is from the axis. Third, the angle of applied force. Maximum torque happens when the force acts at 90 degrees. That is why mechanics is not only about force, it is about how and where the force is applied. And this simple concept is one of the biggest reasons machines can perform massive tasks with small effort. Without torque, modern machine simply cannot rotate, lift, drive or function.